Hi, Brad Hagan with Mosby Building Arts, coming to you from Pello Store here in the Chesterfield Valley to talk to you about an important topic today, security. If you're thinking about replacing your front door, think about security and what it's going to do for you. Over 33% of burglars enter property through the front door, and another 22% enter through a rear entry door. So the lock and handle system you pick for your home's door are paramount to your home's safety. So if you're looking to replace your front or back door, consider a door with a multi-point locking system. A multi-point lock system locks at different points in the door, usually locking at the top, the middle, and the bottom, bringing it all together to add extra security. It also adds an extra level of energy efficiency as the door grips closer to the frame as the 3 points pull together. So the next time you're selecting a new door, keep security in mind. Thanks for watching.